The 21 hours to learn anything method is a powerful tool for quickly and effectively learning new skills and knowledge. However, it is important to approach this method with the right mindset and strategies to ensure maximum effectiveness. Here are some tips and tricks for effectively using the 21 hours to learn anything method. Start with a specific goal in mind. This method works best when you have a clear goal or objective in mind. Determine what you want to learn and set a specific goal to work towards. This will help to keep you focused and motivated throughout the learning process. Break the learning into manageable chunks. The 21 hours to learn anything method can be overwhelming, so it's important to break the learning into smaller, manageable chunks. For example, if you want to learn a new language, start by focusing on a few key phrases or grammar rules at a time. Practice, practice, practice. The key to the 21 hours to learn anything method is repetition and practice. The more you practice, the more you'll be able to retain and recall the information you're learning. Make sure to set aside time to practice regularly and consistently. Use multiple learning methods. While the 21 hours to learn anything method focuses on repetition and practice, it's important to use multiple learning methods to ensure maximum effectiveness. This can include reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Use real-world examples. The more you can apply the information you're learning to real-world examples, the more effective the method will be. For example, if you're learning a new language, try to use it in a conversation with a native speaker. Use flashcards and other memory aids. Flashcards and other memory aids can be a great way to practice and recall the information you're learning. They can also help to break the learning into smaller chunks, making it more manageable. Get feedback. Getting feedback on your progress is an important part of the 21 hours to learn anything method. This can include getting feedback from a teacher or mentor, or testing yourself to see how well you're retaining the information. Be patient with yourself. The 21 hours to learn anything method can be intense, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Remember that learning takes time and it's normal to make mistakes along the way. Stay motivated and don't give up if you're not seeing progress right away. In conclusion, the 21 hours to learn anything method is a powerful tool for quickly and effectively learning new skills and knowledge. But it is important to approach this method with the right mindset and strategies to ensure maximum effectiveness. By setting specific goals, breaking the learning into manageable chunks, practicing regularly and consistently, using multiple learning methods, using real-world examples, using flashcards and other memory aids, getting feedback and being patient with yourself, you can make the most of this method and achieve your learning goals. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.